Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable parental control settings within the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Toca Boca World game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can tap on the play button to start enjoying your game right away. Now, before you begin your game, if you wish to enable or disable parental control settings, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. You will then be asked to enter your year of birth. Now, within this very setting, if you type in the year before 18 years of age, then this will directly enable parental control lock settings. So in order to access and change the setting of parental controls, go ahead and type in your year of birth to prove that you are above 18 years of age. After doing so, you will be taken into the Toca World settings. Now, within this page, you will see the for grown-ups option. If this is unchecked, then the game will be set with parental controls enabled. So if you have any children playing the game, then make sure that this box is unchecked. Otherwise, you can leave this as it is in order to enjoy the grown-up version of the Toca Boca World game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable parental control settings on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.